Well, so what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel APS Check. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, today I'll be going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S10e without wasting any further time. So guys, let's get started. Here you can see, here's the box of the Samsung Galaxy S10e of black color. Now I'll remove the seal quickly, and so guys, as you can see, the seal is removed, and now I'll remove this seal, the Indian SIM card only. You can only use the Indian SIM card in the Indian if you buy from India. If you have to use like international SIM card, you like go to other places, so you have to buy from this. And here you can see, here is the Samsung Galaxy S10e of pearl white color, and here's the charger and the earphones. There you can see the AKG earphone, I think, and these are the good quality earphones, and there is the OTG, and you can see earphones, OTG and all. And you could see, we will close the box and we will simply check out the phone. So guys, now let me check out, is there any cover for it, as it was in my knowledge, like there was a cover. And let me check out, and here's a pin and to insert your SIM card, as in all phones like 2019, 2018. And you can see quick start guide, manual, and here's the cover and the white color plastic cover. And here is the phone. You can see it is pretty good looking and classy phone, and the front camera is inside the screen. It's unbelievable. You can see, let's start up the phone. Like, here is the phone. You can see awesome color, guys. This phone is damn fire. You can see, let's go. You can see the camera. Check out some information to get started. Now we will bring your data. I don't want, skip it right now. Okay, let's go. You can see this was this, and now you can see this phone, and here's the cover that was provided inside the box, and this is pretty cheap cover, no problem. And this I applied the cover. And so guys, as you can see, let's check out the phone, and you can see it's like awesome, guys. You can also go for this, the link is in the description. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can see the phone, and bye.